Stop WhatsApp to automatically save all the photos in your gallery. Welcome back to the channel of ITyug 24/7, your only go-stop solution for every tech-related problem. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about how to stop WhatsApp for automatically saving many photos in your particular gallery. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, I've opened my WhatsApp and there's a friend of mine, Himanshu. He sent me a photo of mine, so I'll just download it. This is the photo. And when I go back to the gallery, I'll refresh it. And here you can see the photo is automatically saved into my gallery option. So how to disable this function? What you have to do is just go to your WhatsApp again, tap on these three dots on the top right corner, go to settings. In the settings, go to chats. You can see this option of media visibility. This function shows you newly downloaded media in your device gallery. So what you have to do is you just have to disable this function, and that's it. So let's see what happened when you disable this option. So again, I'll go to the chat with Himanshu. He's already sent me a photo. I'll just click on it. I'll just download it. I did. Now we'll go back to the gallery, and this time you can see the photo didn't save itself on its own, right? So where did the photo go? So after disabling this option, what you have to do is you can go to the three dots and you just save this photo, and you can go back to the gallery, and now you can see the photo is being saved in the gallery. So this option, or I can say this feature, will allow your phone to have maximum storage capacity, because most of the time your phone gets full in the storage of unwanted WhatsApp images that you actually don't want in your life, or especially in your phone. So this is a simple trick by which you can directly say no to your WhatsApp for automatically saving those photos in your gallery. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you find this video informative, just leave a comment down below if you have any query related to this problem or any other tech related problem. For more such video, for more such fun, just subscribe to our channel right now. That's all for today. I'll meet you in the next one.